So this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Now let's get into the specs of what I have on today. Now today I have on a prime wig, and this is a human hair natural mix blend. Now this unit is from Zury Hollywood Sis Sister Wig. Now today I have on the style PM 13x6 lace Biles, and this is in the shade Sombre RT 2730, and this color is literally just amazing. Now with this unit, when you first get it, it is pre-styled for you. So it comes with a pre-tied bow and a pony. I did mine's over because I wanted to customize the hairline to my liking and to my natural hairline. It does come with a pre-tweezed hairline, and it is a 13x6 lace wig, so you have a lot of room to do any style that you would like to do. Now it does come with baby hairs as well. I am not a real baby hair friend. Every time I try to do baby hairs, it just looks crazy. Like one side looks better than the other, and I just hate doing baby hair. So I decided to go off with like a more natural look. Now I did go in and plug the wig again to my natural hairline, and this is how it looks. So I have a natural's widow's peak, and I think it looks very natural. When I did pluck the wig, it was not hard to pluck it at all. Like the lace stayed intact. There was no holes, which I'm very surprised, because usually when I pluck a wig, even if I'm not being rough, there will always be a hole somewhere on the wig, but this one has very strong lace. Now this wig can also be worn glueless,
It does come with an elastic band in the back, and this is a HD lace front unit. And being that this is a human hair natural mix, you can apply heat to this. Now on the card, it does not say the safest temperature to apply heat, but I would just recommend that you do 390 degrees just to be safe. Overall, I do give this wig a 10 out of 10. It is really gorgeous, and I love the color, and I love the curls that it comes with. It just is like a very natural wig. Now, if you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.